In this video, let's see how to integrate Slack with Zoom. In the navigation bar, click on Add Apps. In the search bar, type Zoom. Click on Install next to the Zoom app from the available apps. Select Add to Slack on the Zoom app page. Click on the Add Now under Zoom for all members. Click the Allow button to give Zoom the necessary permissions. Click Connect Workspace to link Zoom to your Slack workspace. Click Allow to grant Zoom access to the workspace. Go back to Slack to find Zoom added to your app list.